aixs CNC thermal brake assembly knurling machine. It has two inlet positioning devices, all can move left and right. It has two cutters that can be programmed to adjust up, down, left and right. These are two fixed heat insulation clamp devices. Adjust the height through system, according to the size of the insulation strip. These rollers can be adjusted up and down according to different specifications of profiles. The machine can be equipped with a printer, which can realize the functions of marking, scanning code to retrieve data, and can be networked for remote programming and control. This is a 21-inch display screen, which can be used by mouse, touch, scan code 3 ways. To use the machine computer database data. Next we show the process of profile processing. Adjust the machine according to the aluminum specification. Put in insulation strips. Put one aluminum profile, knurling on the profile. The machine works and the insulation strips are inserted into the profile. And then put another aluminum profile. Use the corresponding program of this aluminum profile, the machine automatically adjusts in place. Place the insulation strips into the clamping device. The machine works, knurling on aluminum profile and the insulation strips are inserted into profile.